Take first question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి కోడింగ్ నుంచి డీకోడింగ్ నుంచి ఇచ్చారండి. సో ఇఫ్ దే గివెన్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ కోడింగ్ అండ్ డీకోడింగ్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ దిస్ చైనీస్ కోడింగ్ అండి, డైరెక్ట్లీ టేక్ ద క్వశ్చన్ అండి. సో హియర్ ద గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద కోడ్ ఫర్ హీ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ కోడ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. మనకు వచ్చేసి హీని వచ్చేసి కోడ్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అంటున్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ చెక్ హియర్ హీ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ విచ్ లైన్స్. ఆ ఫ్రెండ్స్ హియర్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ హీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ రిమైనింగ్ లైన్స్ వెదర్ హీ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్, నో. That means in first line only information is he, then only code is. That means eliminate the common codes in first line. Friends here mx eliminate. Next one is co eliminate. Next one is he eliminate. That means here ma. So in first line only information is he, only code is ma. So answer is ma. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is what does the code CO stands for? Friends, once check here CO is present in which lines. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ CO వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ లైన్లో ఉంది, ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మనకి లాస్ట్ లైన్లో కూడా ఉందండి. సో మనకి ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లాస్ట్ లైన్లో కామన్ కోడ్ వచ్చేసి మనకి CO, అంటే మనకి ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లాస్ట్ లైన్ వచ్చేసి ఒక కామన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుందండి. సో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లాస్ట్ లైన్ కామన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈస్ హియర్ who. Next one here we are having who, here also we are having who. Next one is not there, doctor is not there, under not there, Ravi is not there. అంటే మనకి ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లాస్ట్ లైన్ కామన్ కోడ్ ఈజ్ CO, ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లాస్ట్ లైన్ కామన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ who. That means what the code for CO means, answer is who. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Next, in the given code language, which are the following means a bad doctor? And once observe here, A is present in which lines? Here A is present in only second line. And so in second line only information is A, then only code is. That means eliminate the common codes. And so common codes means mx eliminated. Next one mh eliminated. Next one is part LA. Next SA OX. Friends, OX eliminated. Next one is LASA. Friends, LASA remaining lines it is not there. That means what the code for here? A means here LARSA. Next one, bad. Once observe here, bad is present in which lines? Here bad is present in only here second line. So in second line only information is bad, then only code is. Only code means here there is chance to get LARSA. That means here bad code also completed. Next one, doctor. Once observe here, doctor is present in which lines? Here we are having a doctor. Next, here also we are having doctor. Now, second line here, fourth line common information is doctor. Now, second line, fourth line common code is. Friends, here we are having MH. Here also we are having MH. Next any other codes are same. KL. Next one CO. Next ZA OX. Friends, here we are having OX. Here also we are having OX. So friends, in second and third line, second and fourth line common information is doctor. Here we are having two codes are common. And MH common, OX common. OX is present in remaining lines, not there. So here doctor is present in remaining lines, not there. That means for doctor code is what here MH, otherwise here OX. That means these two codes should be present along with these two, maybe MH or maybe OX. So LASA MH chance. Next LASA OX also chance. That means here answer is what? Option D, either or. Why means here code for A and bad is LASA. Next LASA, otherwise SALA. Next doctor code is what? Maybe MH or maybe OX. That means there is chance to get two codes. That means here answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given question is, what the code for doctor? Friends, once check here, doctor is present in which lines? Here we are having doctor, here also we are having doctor. Now second line, fourth line common information వచ్చేసి మనకి డాక్టర్ అండి. సో సెకండ్ లైన్ ఫోర్త్ లైన్ లో ఒక కామన్ కోడ్ ఉండాలి. వన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ KL not there, MH, here also we are having MH. Next CO not there, ZD not there, OX, here also we are having OX. That means here two codes are common. That means doctor code is for MH or OX. So MH or OX, so answer is for either B or C. Option E is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Take question. If it is possible to make a meaningful word from second, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh letter of the word, here acknowledge. Suppose friends take your given letters. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, here 11. So మనకి సెకండ్ లెటర్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ సి ఉంది. ఫోర్త్ లెటర్ ఏముంది మనకి ఎన్ ఉందండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ వచ్చేసి మనకి ఓ. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి సిక్స్త్ వచ్చేసి మనకి డబ్ల్యూ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సెవెంత్ వచ్చేసి మనకి ఎల్. సో మన ఈ 5 లెటర్స్ని యూజ్ చేసి ఒక మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తే దెన్ విత్ లెటర్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్, ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఫ్రేమ్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఇఫ్ నో మార్క్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ నో సచ్ వర్డ్ కెన్ బి ఫార్మ్. If you can't able to frame any word, then X is the answer. Next, mark M if more than one word can be possible. So by using these 5 letters, which word is possible here? We can able to frame one word. And so here clone, CLOWN. So what the meaning of clone means? Here meaning is here comedian and so, Telugu meaning is hasan to do. So clone means here meaning is here comedian. That means we can able to frame one meaningful word. So if we can able to frame only one meaningful word, then the again one is what? First letter of that word is the answer. First letter is what? C. That means C means here answer is option B and friend. These type of questions are completely based upon your English and next. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. In the following question, select the odd letters from the given alternative. సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన 5 ఆప్షన్లు వచ్చేసి 4 సేమ్గా ఉన్నాయి, 1 డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది. ఆ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్న ఆప్షన్ ఏది అంటున్నాడు. సపోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ టేక్ డి అండ్ ఎఫ్ లాజిక్ వచ్చేసి మనకి +2 అండి. ఎఫ్ అండ్ జీ లాజిక్ వచ్చేసి మనకి +1. జీ అండ్ ఈ లాజిక్ వచ్చేసి -2. సో ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ +2 ఈక్వల్ సెకండ్ లెటర్ +1 ఈక్వల్ టు థర్డ్ లెటర్ -2 ఈక్వల్ టు ఫోర్త్ లెటర్. నౌ next one is what? UW. Next one is what? XV. U1W logic is what? Here +2. W and X logic is what? +1. X and V logic is what? Here -2. Next go for next one. QT. Next one is what? Here S R and QT S R. Q1T logic is what? Here +3. Next our T and S logic is what? Here -1. It is not following. Leave it. Next take next one here. JL MK. Friends, JL here they given MK and now J and L logic is what? Here J is 10, L is 12 +2. L and M here +1, M and K -2. Next one MO. Next one is what? Here PN. M and O logic is what? +2. O and P logic is what? +1. P and N logic is what? -2. అంటే మనకి ఏది డిఫరెంట్ ఇక్కడ? QT SR అండి. సో మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ సి అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు లాజిక్ వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ టు సెకండ్ లెటర్ +2 అండి. సెకండ్ లెటర్ టు థర్డ్ లెటర్ +1, థర్డ్ లెటర్ టు ఫోర్త్ లెటర్ -2 ఎక్సెప్ట్ హియర్ ఆప్షన్ సి. టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. యువర్ టైమ్ స్టార్ట్స్ నౌ. Yes, time up. In a number 8521, friends take your given number 85214796. If 2 is added to the all odd numbers, friends, if odd number is there means then add plus 2 and next, and 1 is subtracted from all even number. If even numbers are there, then minus 1. Then what will be the difference between first digit of the left hand and first digit of the right hand? So friends, don't convert entire word. Why means they are talking about only first digit from left hand and first digit from right hand. So from left hand first digit is what? Here 8. From right hand first digit is what? Here 6. If it is a even means what? Minus 1. 8 minus 1 enta 7. 6 minus 1 మనకి 5 అండి. మనకి డిఫరెన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి డిఫరెన్స్. నౌ 7 5 డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చేసి మనకి 2 అవుతుంది. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఫర్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డోంట్ కన్వర్ట్ ఎంటైర్ given numbers and take next one. So your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here m is the only son of x and friends, here they given m. This m is the only son of x. Next one, c is the wife of x and మనకి ఇక్కడ c వచ్చేసి wife of x అంటే మనకి c వచ్చి ఇక్కడ x వచ్చేసి husband of c అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, s and y are daughters of c. మనకి s y వీళ్ళిద్దరు వచ్చేసి మనకి daughters of c అండి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, C is the daughter of W and R. మనకి C వచ్చేసి డాటర్ ఆఫ్ W and R అంటే మనకి W and R బోత్ వచ్చేసి మనకి కపుల్స్ అవుతారండి. నెక్స్ట్, నన్ ఆఫ్ ద డాటర్ ఆఫ్ X is a married. సో హియర్ X is having two daughters S and Y. These two are not married. So none of the daughter is married and leave it. Next one, Q is the grandson of here C and now the given one is Q is the grandson of C. So here we are having Q. This Q is the grandson of C. So here Q, here S and Y parents no chance to take. Why means S and Y, none of the daughter of here C is married. That means S and Y are not married. That means for Q here no chance. That means here Q is the grandson of C. That means here Q is the, there is chance to take son of M. Next one. So Q is the grandson of C. D is the mother of X. So D is the mother of X and take here D. This D is mother of X. So this is the given entire information. Take the question, how D is related to C? Friends, how D is related to C means C husband is X, X mother is for D. So here answer is for mother-in-law. So mother-in-law means here answer is option E and. So friends, take here, how D is related to C means answer is mother-in-law. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So find which of the following statement is definitely correct and so our requirement is correct statement. Take your first one. Y is the brother of M. Here Y is sister of M. So first statement is wrong. Next one. S is the granddaughter of D. S is the granddaughter of D. Yes, this statement is correct. Next one. R is the father-in-law of M. Friends, here R is father-in-law of M. This one is wrong and that means here which of the following statement is correct means only second statement and. So answer is only second statement. That means here answer is option D is the answer and. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the again question is how S is related to Q. Friends, how S is related to Q here? Aunt. So answer is option E. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is what? When the first and third letters of the each word is interchanged. Now we are going to interchange first and third end. So take here given one. BAT, bat. Next one is MIX, mix. Next, job, gem. Next one is what? Tab. So here the given one is, when the first and third letters of the each word is interchanged, then how many meaningful words will be possible? First and third we are going to interchange. That means here, this one is what? TAB. Next one, XIM. Next one, BOJ. Next one, MEG. Next one, PAT. Yes. That means how many meaningful words we can able to frame here? One is what? Tab. Next, XIM no, BOJ no, MEG no. Next one is what? Pat. So this one also possible only. Part. Friends, take here, we can able to frame two meaningful words. One is what? Pat. Other one is what? Tab. Friends, here what is the meaning of pat means? Here smooth place and smooth place or smooth piece. So here pat is possible, tab is possible. We can able to frame two meaningful words. So answer is what? 2. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So if each consonant is changed to previous letter in the alphabetical series, then how many words contains the same vowel more than once? Friends, here the given one is what? Each consonant is changed to previous end. If consonant is present in me, then -1. Then question is, then how many words contains the same vowel more than once? Now, friends, take here first one. Here consonant -1. That means here A, B -1, A. Here A next one is what? T. T -1 వచ్చేసి మనకి S అవుతుంది. Next M -1. So here M -1 is what? Here L. I same. X -1. 24 -1 23 W. J -1 here I. O. B -1 A. Next G -1 here F. E. Next M -1 here L. T -1 S. A. Next P -1 here O. So our question is what? Then how many words contains the same vowel more than once? Same vowel more than once. A more than once. Next here I only once. Here also once. That means here only one word is there. Same vowel is more than once. That means here only one. Option B is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is what? If words are arranged in sequence, they appear in the dictionary from left to right. Which word is started from the right end? So friends, take here. Now the words are arranged in dictionary order. Now which word is started from right end? So left to right means what? Here ascending order, low to high. Next right to left means what? Descending order. That means here high to low. Our requirement is what? From right end. That means from right end, third highest one. So here first highest one is what? Here T. Next second highest one is what? Here M. Third highest one is what? J. That means here answer is what? Job. Option C is the answer. Instead of arranging entire, directly we can able to answer. So answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. If each letter in the each word is arranged according to the alphabetical series from left to right and the first and second letters are interchanged in each word, then how many meaningful words will be formed? So first we are going to arrange within the word, all the letters are in the alphabetical order. After that we are going to interchange first and second letters. That means first arrange alphabetical order. Here ABT. Next one is what? Here IMX. Next one is here BJO. Next one is EGM. Next one is APT. Now the given is what? First and second letters are interchanged. Then BAT, bat. Next, MIX, first and two are interchange. Next one, JBO, next one is part here, GA, next one is part, PAT. That means how many meaningful words we can able to frame. First one is part, bat, meaningful word. Mix, next JBO, no meaningful word. Next one is part here, gem, yes, meaningful word. Pad, this one also meaningful word. That means we can able to frame here, part, next jump, next one mix, bad. We can able to frame more than 3 words. So answer is part option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. If all the letters are arranged according to the alphabetical series from left to right, which letter is 8th from left hand? So in the given entire word, all the letters are arranged in alphabetical order. Now, so in the given entire word, lowest alphabet is part A. Here also we are having one more A. After A, next one is part B is there. Next, here also we are having B. B 2 times is there. Next, after B, C not there. Next one, D not there. Next one, E. Yes, here we are having E one time. After E, next one is part F not there. Next one, G. Yes, there. Next, after G, next one is part here H. Next I. Next one is part after I, next one is part J. After J and so on. Leave it. Question is part 8th from left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 one is part J. That means your answer is option C and friend, don't write entire end. Why means our requirement is 8th from left hand. From left hand 8th one, which are the following is there here? J is there. Option C answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take care, given one. There are 5 buses P, Q, R, S, T and they have different number of capacities. Next, not necessarily in the same order. Leave it in. So friends, totally here we are having 5 buses. Take care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buses. Each of the buses having different capacity. Leave it. First one is what? P has higher capacity than S and. So P has higher capacity than S and T. Yes, leave it. Next one. R has less capacity than only Q and. Friends, here the given one is what? R has less capacity than only Q. Next point. The next point is here. S carries more passenger than T. Now S is more than T. So P is more than S. S is more than T. Now take care. P. This one is S. This one is here T. Next. So the given is what? R has less capacity than only Q completed. S carries more passengers than T. S completed. So here question is what? If R carries 62 passengers, then what could be the capacity of bus Q? Now the given is what? Here R carries here 62 passengers and then what the capacity of Q? Q is more than 62. So friends, in the given options more than 62, which are the following options there here? 71 is there. So answer is 71. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So the given is what? Which bus has the least capacity? Which bus is having least capacity here? T. That means here T means here answer is option D is the answer and yes. Next, go for next one. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, timer. Here the again question is what? If P carries 25 passengers and now P carries 25 members. Next one is what here T carries 9 members. Now here T carries 9 members. Then what would be the capacity of S? So capacity of S is question mark, which is divisible by 3. So S capacity is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 5. So here the given is what? T is having 9 members. Now P is having 25 members. So between here we are having S and that means S contains more than 9 less than 25, which is divisible by 3. So divisible by 3 means here we are having 12. Next one is what? 15. Next 18. 21 is there. Next one 24 is there. 27 also. 24 up to 24 only. Why means here P is 25 only. Next one. So here divisible by 3 means these are the possible numbers but not divisible by 5. So but not divisible by 5 means now 15 will not come. Why means 15 is divisible by 5. So 12 will come, 18 will come, 21 will come, 24 also will come. Once check here which are the following option is there. So based upon this one, which are the following option is there, check once and. So friends here they given would be, that means there is a chance and now. So 24 are there, 21 are there, here 18 there is chance to take. That means here answer is what? 18, option B is the answer. Take next question, your time starts now. Yes, time up. So how many such pairs of letters are there in the word instance, each of which has many letters between them in the English alphabetical series in both forward and backward directions? Friends, ఒక్కోసారి ఎగ్జామ్లో వాడు బోత్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అండ్ బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వడండి. సో వాడు ఇచ్చినా ఇవ్వకపోయినా బై డిఫాల్ట్ వేర్ గుడ్ టేక్ బోత్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అండ్ బ్యాక్వర్డ్. సో ఇన్స్టాన్స్ నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ టేక్ యర్ ఫేస్ వాల్యూస్. ఐ ఫేస్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి మనకి 9 అండి, ఎన్ వచ్చేసి 14, ఎస్ వచ్చేసి మనకి 19, టీ వచ్చేసి మనకి 20, ఏ వచ్చేసి 1, ఎన్ వచ్చేసి 14, సి వచ్చేసి 3, ఈ వచ్చేసి 5 అండి. నౌ ఇన్ నెంబర్ ఫార్మాట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 9 వాట్ విల్ కమ్? 9, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 9 to 14 pair is matched and after 14 no number, leave it. After 14 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 no. After 19 20, after 20 no number, leave it. After 20 no number and after 1 2 3 4 no. Next after 14 no number, after 3 no. That means forward here we are having 3 pairs. Take and divide. After 5 next one is part 6 7, next 8 9 10, 11, 12, no. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now, friends, take here 3 to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, no. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no. After 20, no number. After 19, no. After 14, no. So, forward 3 pairs, reverse 1 pair. So, here we are having more than 3 pairs. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is how many letters are there in the given series? Friends, take here letters and next each of which is immediately preceding. Preceding means what? Before. Before by odd number, before by odd number, and immediately followed. Followed means after. After by even number and so letter before is odd number. Next letter after వచ్చేసి మనకి even number ఉండాలి. So letter before మనకి even number, no chance. Letter before odd number, next even number, no chance. So here we are having consonant and next letter before, no. Letter before even number, no. Letter before even number, no. Next letter before even number, no. Letter before here odd number, yes. Next followed by odd number, no chance. Letter before odd number followed by even number, yes. Next letter before even number, no. Letter before odd number followed by even number. Letter before, no. Here also no. That means here we are having only 2 pairs. 2 pairs means here answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is, what the sum of third number from left hand end? From left hand third number. So 8, next 9, next third number is what here? 4. Next, and sixth number from right hand. From right hand sixth number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth number is what here? 4. What the sum of third number from left hand, sixth number from right hand? Sum is how much here? 8. So answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take here again one. If all the odd numbers are dropped from the series, then which of the following element is 8th from right hand? So friends, here 8th from right hand, but all odd numbers are dropped. So odd numbers are dropped means then count remaining. We are going to count only alphabets and even number 8th from right hand. So friends, take here 1, next 2, 3, next 4, 5, next 6, 7, 8, 1 is what here n. So n means here answer is what? Option D.